Victory Valkyrie versus Guilty Lummy. This guy is dead. 3, 2, 1, go. I violate my career today. Boom! Ring out. Okay, I'm not gonna play. I'm gonna do this until Konami loses. So, Guilty Lummy is so heavy. Because it's the heaviest hitting dancer.
Wait lang, anak, wait lang.
Guilty Lummy wins.
It's actually gonna win, Audi, because he's heavy.